Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create or get an Exalted Great Unclean one. So, firstly, you need to recruit Herald of Nurgle. Doesn't matter which. Just recruit him and get him to rank 15. And now you will get this pop-up. Now you can select what do you want to do with him. You want him to be replaced with Exalted Great Unclean one, now or later, or never. Well, we want him to be Exalted Great Unclean one, so we'll take this option. After clicking it, as you can see, we have the Exalted Great Unclean one.
Father Nurgle!
Like the skill tree and trait and whatever. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.
The fly!